Hello guys, welcome back to Show Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix 0xC00005 application was unable to start cycle on your Windows and how to fix this up. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is just have to go here in the search and you have to search for virus and threat protection. You have to search for virus and threat protection. Let me click on this. Now from here what you have to do is just have to scroll down, and from here there is an option called scan option, right? You have to select this, and from here in the scan these are the various options which is available right now. So what you have to do is just have to go for quick scan. Okay, go for scan now. So if I go for scan now, this will take a couple of minutes, so I just have to wait for it. So it is getting scanned. Once after scan, you have to see whether the issue is solved or not, and if it's not solving, then we have a solution number 2. So solution number 2 is you just have to go here in the search once again, and you have to search for the following thing. So I'll be giving in the description what I searched. It is SYS, okay, SYSDM.cpl. Okay, you have to search for this and you have to click on this. Don't worry on this, I'll be giving in the description, so you have to get it very easily. Now click on this. Now you'll be getting a box like this. Okay, now from here what you have to do is just have to navigate your cursor to advanced, and under the performance there is an option called settings. You have to select, and from here there is an option called, you have to select from the settings. There is an option called advanced, and from here what you have to do is just have to click on data execution prevention. Okay, data execution prevention, and you have to turn on DEP. You have to turn on EDP. You have to turn on DEP for all the programs, and once you turn on this you'll be having an option to add. So you just have to click on the add icon over there, and you have to add the respective .exe or anything which is causing you the issue. Okay, you have to add the respective one and click select the respective one, go for open over here, and once after it is selected you just have to go for apply and go for OK and do a restart, and most probably the issue will be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.